Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deeper into the world of eucalyptus essential oil. You guys know I love finding natural ways to keep my home and family healthy, and eucalyptus oil is a real winner. This amazing oil comes from the eucalyptus tree, native to Australia. Think of those cute koala bears munching on leaves. That's eucalyptus. The leaves hold a powerful oil that smells clean and fresh. For centuries, people have used eucalyptus oil for its incredible properties. It's like having a little bottle of magic from nature. Stay tuned to learn how you can use it every day. One of the best things about eucalyptus oil is its ability to help you breathe easier. It can open up your airways when you're feeling stuffy or congested. You can add a few drops to a humidifier or diffuser to spread the aroma throughout a room. It's like bringing a breath of fresh air indoors, especially during those cold winter months. Eucalyptus oil is also great for soothing sore muscles after a long day. Just mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage it into your skin. Ah, relief. But wait, there's more. Eucalyptus oil is a cleaning powerhouse too. Add a few drops to your homemade cleaning solutions to disinfect surfaces and leave a fresh scent. You can even use it to deter pesky insects. They don't like the strong smell of eucalyptus, so it helps keep them at bay naturally. From freshening the air to cleaning your home, eucalyptus oil is a versatile and natural way to make your life better. Now a little word of caution. Eucalyptus oil is powerful stuff, so a little goes a long way. Always dilute it with a carrier oil before applying it to your skin. And remember, it's always a good idea to do a patch test first to make sure you don't have any sensitivities. Safety first, everyone. Well, that's it for our deep dive into eucalyptus oil. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more natural living tips and tricks. See you next time.